Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Calculus problems like this are actually super fast once you know the trick. Let's find the tangent slope using the mean value theorem right now. According to the mean value theorem, if a function is continuous and differentiable, there must be a point where the instantaneous rate of change equals the average rate of change exactly. From the provided table, we see that f of 0 equals 2 and f of 5 equals 12. We use these endpoints to calculate the slope of the secant line easily. Calculating the average rate of change gives us 12 minus 2 divided by 5, which equals 2. That makes option A our final winner. Well done! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi, avoid any rush, and trust the given values to solve these correctly.